Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Chandan Devappa Madiwal. I am currently studying in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in SVC Bangalore. Today's topic is case study of India use of plastic waste in road construction. Introduction to sustainable roads. Plastic waste is a growing concern in India, impacting the environment and health. This presentation explores innovative solutions for transforming plastic waste into sustainable roads, showcasing a creative approach to tackling waste and improving infrastructure. Let's embark on this journey of transformation. The plastic waste crisis. India generates over 3 million tons of plastic waste annually, with only a fraction being recycled. This crisis poses significant challenges for urban areas, leading to pollution and health hazards. Understanding the scale of this issue is vital for finding effective solutions. Innovative recycling techniques. Innovative recycling techniques are being developed to process plastic waste efficiently. These methods not only reduce waste but also create valuable materials for construction. By harnessing technology, we can pave a way for sustainable infrastructure. Benefits of plastic roads. Using plastic in roads construction offers numerical benefits. These roads are more durable, resistant to water damage, and can reduce overall cost. Additionally, they help in reducing plastic pollution, creating a win win situation for the environment and economy. Case studies in India. Several cities in India, like Bengaluru and Mumbai, have successfully implemented plastic roads. These case studies highlight the effectiveness of using plastic waste in road construction, showcasing improved infrastructure and reduces waste. Community involvement. Engaging local communities is crucial for the success of plastic road projects. By raising awareness and encouraging participation, we can foster the sense of ownership and responsibility towards waste management and sustainable practices. Government initiatives. The Indian government has launched various initiatives to promote the use of plastic waste in road construction. Policies and funding support are essential for scaling these projects and ensuring long term sustainability in urban planning. Environmental impact. Transforming plastic waste into road significantly reduces landfill waste and lowers carbon emissions. This innovative approach not only addresses waste management but also contributes to a healthier environment for future generations. Challenges and solutions. Despite the benefits, challenges such as public perception and technical limitations exist. Addressing these issues through education and technological advancement is essential for the successful implementation for plastic roads. Future prospect. The future of plastic roads look promising with ongoing research and development. As technology advances, we can expect more efficient processes and wider adoption, paving the way for the sustainable infrastructure revolution. Call to action. We must act now to embrace the potential of transforming plastic waste into sustainable roads. Collaboration between government, communities, and businesses is key to create a cleaner, greener future for India. Conclusion. In conclusion, transforming plastic waste into sustainable roads is just not a solution for waste management but a step towards a more resilient future. Resilient future. By embracing innovation, and collaboration, we can create a lasting impact on our environment. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching.